Hello guys, today I will connect this battery to power grid. It's a very dangerous experiment, don't try this at home. On the first try, I just ruined my extension cord. Battery is a little damaged. I need an extension cord with a larger cross section. I think this cable will help me in my experiment. We can compare second attempt with a larger cross section cable. Let's go! It's awesome! It was a cool explosion! Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel, it's very important for my art, please.